Bonus exercise 1. Hi, Joe Cerrone. I'm going to go and work this exercise today. This is for the extra credit assignments. They're not required, but they're kind of fun and they give you a good sense of how to use sketches. So these models are taken from a Solidworks for Designers book, and they have most of the dimensions, but they didn't give the thickness for this part. So other than that, I think everything is here. And what we're going to do is we're going to start off this drawing, noticing the units are in metric or millimeters. And so I'll say start a new drawing, part, OK. My software defaults to millimeters, so I'm going to go here and switch it to, defaults to inches, so I'm going to switch it to millimeters. I also don't like this little swash across here. I like it to be plain white, so I'm going to change that. I'm going to click on the Sketch tab, and I'm going to select Sketch, and I'm going to sketch on the front plane. I'm going to start by sketching a center rectangle at the origin, and I'm just going to pull that out. I'm going to look at the numbers, and I'm going to try to make that about 80. I'm going to then go through and start to define the rest of it. I'm going to have one more rectangle in the center, and then I'm going to have some geometry here. I'm going to use trim. I recommend the power trim. All you do is click and drag it through. I'm going to put in a construction line or a center line down the middle here, and you can wake up the midpoint and then just drive that north. I'm then going to mirror these entities about the center line. And I'm going to trim those as well. I'm going to add the dimensions with Smart Dimensions. And you can see now that all the lines are black, which means that this part is now fully defined. I'm going to switch over to Features, Extrude Boss Base, and I'm going to extrude that about the midplane. And I'm just going to estimate it to be 50 millimeters. Save it. And we'll save that as your initials dash exercise 1. And if you want to have a little fun with it, you can color it by hitting the beach ball here. And I'm going to clear this, go to part, and we'll make that. We'll make that blue. And that completes this exercise.